So we had a rainstorm this week. Lots and lots of rain. And I discovered a leak in my ceiling, dripping through a vent. So I climbed up into my attic to find out where it was coming from. I'm up in my attic, right underneath this attic vent. There's water that's come out here and is running down the underside of the roof. Now that the rain has stopped, I'm up here and I'm gonna fix it with Henry, #1 choice of professionals. I'm not a professional, but that's good enough for me. Here goes. I've already pulled off the old caulk or the old sealant there to prepare for putting this on. So the first thing you wanna do is cut off the tip here. You wanna cut it at an angle, like that. I just got a piece of metal wire. Just put it in here, give it a poke. There you go. If I pull it out, it should be black. Yeah, there you go. Then you're gonna need one of these. Pull it back all the way. You put your sealant right in here, push it in. You're gonna use this handle to get it to come out. First off, I wanna get this old nail out. And I'm gonna put some sealant underneath that hole, fill in that hole, and put in a screw instead of this nail. And then I'll put sealant along here and the other side and put it along all the nails and get some new fresh sealant. Get it up underneath. There you go. Get in around that hole. There you go. I'll put some right on top of the hole before I put my screw in there. So I'm gonna put another healthy bead on the outside of this. And some more there. The roof guy wanted to charge me $500 to fix this. I'm glad I could do it myself. And hopefully it'll be good enough to stop the leak. And it turns out it was coming from with some of this Henry #1 professional. This is what it takes to have a setup so you can do a video on your roof while repairing it.